Friends, welcome to my channel Media Creation Club. Today's topic about the house. Everyone want to know how we can fix the bedside light. It's very simple tricks. I am showing you how we can fix the bedside light, then how we put the switch. I show you the step by step. It's very simple and easy to do. You can do yourself by yourself. You can do it in your house without any electrician, without any thing. Only you buy the light, then you use, and then you can do beside your bed. Easy for you. Night time you can use for the on light, off light. It's very helpful for you. So I'm going to show you how we can do. It's very simple trick. So let's start and then do how we can do the bed lights. Friends, so as you can see, this one is bedside light. So we are going to fix this beside the bed. As you can see, this one already fixed. I fixed in the different room. So I am showing you, this one is the table lamp. We no need table lamp. We need to fix like this light beside the bed, and then control. We have this one already control inside the with the switch. So this one is adjustable, move anywhere you want. So I just going to show you how we can do the connections. It's very simple and easy. So let's start how we do the connection and how we fix. Okay, friends, so you need to pull the 2 cable or 3 cable if you have the grounding in your board. So you can do the grounding also. If you have only the neutral and live, you just pull the 2 cable. So we already pull the cable, this one, then do ready the holes, pull from this power point. So we going to fix this light. This one already got switch, so you can bring this power supply directly, and no need to control switch because we already got the control switch. So we open first this one. So this cover we fix first here. Then we need a screw. I already do the hole because I'm just showing you demo how we can fix the light. So it's already the holes, everything got. You just bring the neutral and live. It's okay. If you are using the more safety, the grounding more better. So it's for the safety, the grounding more safety, because even you touch the things, if we have any electric shortage, so it's automatically trip our electrics. So for the safety, I suggesting you put the grounding also. So anything happen, the RCCB main breaker will automatically trip if we have any shortage, or because this one is bedside, if we have kids or anything, so it's for the safety. We are normally using here Malaysia must using this grounding cable for the safety. If we don't have the grounding, they will not accept the connections. So cover we fix ready. Now we use this connector to connect the cables. So we fix ready the connector, live, grounding and neutral. Now as we can see here also got 3 cables. This one is choke for the LED light, then this one is incoming. So you can see this one red we give the live, this one neutral, and then this one is for the grounding. Green and yellow using here in the grounding. So we connect the cable. So connection we done ready. You can see live, grounding in neutral. Connection is done ready. So we put back the cover. Put the screw back. Okay friends, so screw also we fix ready. As you can see, now we try it on. So our light is fixed already. It's very simple, just 2 screw connections, then fix. You can fix the any light beside your bed, so easy for you. Once you wake up, you just on the light or off the light. Okay, so friends, hope you like this video and then helpful for you also. If you are new in my channel, please don't forget to subscribe my channel, press the bell icon for the new notification, new videos. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.